In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to rename your districts that you've created in AlignMix. The first thing to do is open up your file and make sure you've already created a hierarchy. By that I mean you have territories assigned to districts and districts to regions. And now you don't have to create 3 levels of assignment if you don't use 3 levels. You can always just use 2 levels or even just 1 if you have a smaller sales force without a hierarchy. So now let's view our district map view. And to do that, you click here on the home menu under Add View, click on Maps, and then click on District Map. By default, the red number here in the center of every district shows you the span of control, which is the total number of territories that are assigned to each district. To change that to the district name, you simply click here on Configure Layers, select Districts, and then go to District Labels and double-click the field and change it to District Name, and then OK. And right away, the district name will now appear in the center of every district. So now to rename these districts, you can right-click on that district to pull up the radial tool. From there, you click on Properties, and now we can change the ID and the name of the district we just right-clicked on. So if we want to call it, let's say, Southwest, we type that in for ID and the name. Now you don't need the ID and the name to be the same. If you have a numeric identifier, you would use that here for the ID, and then the name would go to name. The ID always needs to be unique, so you can't have duplicate district IDs across your map. It has to always be unique. So now when I click OK, you will see that I've changed the name of that Texas district, and now it's called the Southwest District. You can also change district names by using the district table view. To get there, we can click here on the plus button, click on District Table. Now you simply click here for the ID, or you can click here for the name, and you can rename these fields. So I can call it New District, and we can rename the ID to a numeric value like 454, and as soon as you click off of it, that new name and ID have been set. And when we click here on District Alignment, you can see that we have renamed that district because now it says New District here for that Memphis area. And there you go. You've just learned how to rename your districts here in AlignMix.